How to search for text messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the default messaging app on your iPhone. Then, you will see many conversations here. Scroll down to bring the search bar to the top. Once the search bar appears, you need to type in the message here. It will automatically filter out the conversations that contain the message you wrote. You can tap on See All to view all the relevant results. Tap on the message to view the conversation. You can also type in the name of the person to view their conversations. This is the fastest and most efficient way to search for text messages on your iPhone. So by following these simple steps, you can easily search for text messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.